And what are you doing?
What? I'm taping myself up with pink tape so that the ticks they won't get on me because they don't like pink.
Okay.
Oh. Hello, it's Rick and Lori.
Hello.
What are you gonna say?
Funny. I don't know, that we're gonna go into our tick-infested property and wait for the guy, the bulldozer guy.
So yeah, we're right here. We're on my mom and dad's place. You can see their place behind us, and we got a little acre here adjoining it. We're going to be having a home put on there, and so we're going to go over there and show the dozer guy where to clear it out so we can have a driveway and a place to put a pad to set the house on.
That's right. But before we do that, I got to get into my tick protective gear. I'm only in it halfway.
Tyvek pantsuit.
Paint suit.
Paint suit. I was going to say pantsuit.
Yep.
It's
and then...
Really oh, I got a little bit of tape on and a whole bunch of this repel stuff with DEET. We'll see if it works.
There's so many ticks out there. Okay. All right. So we're going to walk and show you where we're heading.
Yep.
Look at these beautiful clouds, though. Oh my gosh, those clouds are always so beautiful here. Look at that. Gorgeous. All right. So yeah, there's a lot to clear, but thankfully there's people that do that, so we don't have to worry about it. Kind of. We don't have to be the ones driving the heavy equipment anyway. Somebody else will do that. But it's a beautiful area. Beautiful little piece of property. Lots of trees. There's a dead tree up there. But I like it. I think it's cool looking. Snag. So, but I'm going to have to stop this video. Honey, can you hold this? I got to put my tick suit on.
Yeah. Okay. Getting all geared up. Do you want to cut this video?
Nope.
Okey-doke.
One take Lori.
It's all one take Lori, and you get the raw footage.
We need to get like a whole case of these things.
Yeah, I just wished it wasn't 100 degrees out here.
I know.
It's actually
like
in the 90s, so it's close to
like
100.
Going to the spa.
Yeah.
Is there like a string on this?
I don't think so. I don't think you're gonna need to be that covered particularly, but that's yeah.
Let's
okay.
do this.
Okay.
Think that's him?
No, probably not. Okay, so this is a pin
Huh?
to the edge of our property. There's a pin right here.
Okay.
A little flag there. There's a pin that marks the corner.
Okay.
So we got 1 acre. It goes about 330 feet east to west along this road here. There's an easement setback. And then it goes about 152 feet widthwise. So, what if that is him?
Might be. Okay, we got bulldozer guy coming. He's pulling up. I'm gonna walk kind of into the woods, try and get in the shade. Since I got my Tyvek, it's kind of embarrassing a little bit when these men that just tromp through woods all the time come and they see me all in my Tyvek. I gotta always make sure that my brother doesn't see me, because if my brother sees me, he's not gonna be very impressed.
Okay.
When I get out here, it helps me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So as far as clearing out a spot, are you like you can't do anything until we close, or is that something
That's up to you. That's up to you. Whatever they decide. Sometimes they give me permission to come in ahead of time and start doing it.
This really is a very sweet piece of property, but there's tarantulas here. in this. I've seen tarantulas at Ma and Pa's house, and I'm not a fan of tarantulas. And there's supposed to be snakes along here too, so I'm kind of a little nervous about moving out here, but you know, what the heck. We'll see how it goes. And we'll get this all cleaned up someday, and it'll be a little better, but I still have trouble trying to figure out how to get out of here. But here we go. I think I found it. There we go. They went through the trees. I'm just gonna go out this way. Not looking forward to getting out in the sun. I'm in this white suit and I am about ready to roast. And we got little sweet little ferns. Look at that. Sweet little fern. Isn't that so cool? Yeah. Lots of big rocks though. Look at that big old huge rock. But look at this. I put tape. Look at, there's ticks on that tape. Ugh. Aren't they gross? I just hate them. Ugh. Alright. I think I'll go this way. People are wondering who the lady is with the hazmat suit on. They think there's some kind of chemical spill probably, but it's just ticks. So